My name is Ramon Vela. I'm an avid tutor sponsored by the Office of Student Success. Okay, today we're going to cover torque. And here we have an L-shaped rod. If you can imagine that this rod is on a wall, protruding from a wall here. Let me just draw this here to give you a better visual. And torque is defined as force times your perpendicular distance. Okay? And also with a torque, counterclockwise forces are positive, while clockwise forces are negative. Okay? To find the torque on this particular object here, what we have to do is sum up all the forces. Okay? So we're gonna, these are the sums here, about 0.0. 0.0 being right there. So first we want to notice this 50 Newton force here. So we'll note that down here. And the perpendicular distance on this 50 Newton force, if we draw the line of action here, is the distance covered right here, and that is 3 meters. So we just times that by 3. And if you notice that this force is rotating the point O clockwise, so that's going to be negative. And then we move on to the next force, which is your 60 Newton force. Now with this one, you also have to notice that the force is in line with the point. So if you want to imagine that force like this, you'll notice that this force will not rotate that point counterclockwise or clockwise. It's just like pulling right on it. So the distance there isn't any perpendicular distance. So we just set that to 0. Just right there. And then the next force will be the 40 Newton force. Draw the line of action here. And the distance there, it's going to be 3 meters. So also if you notice that this force would rotate point O counterclockwise, so that would be positive. So we put 40 times the perpendicular distance, which in this case is 3. And then finally we have the 20 Newton force. Now the line of action on that one goes up like this, and the total distance from this point to where point O is 6 meters. So we have oh, and also this will be pulling point O clockwise, so then it will be negative. So we have 20 newtons times the distance of 6. Now if you get your calculator and calculate all that, you will end up with negative 150 newtons. Now what that negative is telling you is that point O is being rotated clockwise with 150 newtons of force. Okay, and that's your answer. Once again, my name is Ramon Vela. I'm an avid tutor sponsored by the Office of Student Success.